First thing, you suffer a loss, call the restoration company.
They can
Second
take care
phone
of-
call?
because they can take care of any of your emergency needs, whether they're temporary emergency services, any of the safety issues. They can address that for you and let you know. And most restoration companies have, like we do, 24-hour emergency service, so they can respond quickly and get out there. If you call and wait for your insurance company, they may or may not have as quick a response for you, and you end up waiting and potentially causing further damage. And also, that further damage could potentially be denied by the insurance company that you were waiting on.
No,
right?
Man.
I've seen it happen too many times, and they're not doing it because they don't want to pay the policy. It's because the damages were increased as a result of inactivity.
Yeah.
Rosie on the house every Arizona